A perfect getaway for families, friends, and touring groups in Puerto Princesa City is the Palawan Water Park by Astoria. If you're checked in at the Astoria Hotel Palawan, you can avail of a one-day tour at this theme park. They also welcome couples and groups to a full-day variety of attractions, which includes a lazy river, wave pool, water slides, and fun splash zones. We love how clean, well kept, and secure the entire place is. It has the perfect balance of thrilling and exciting activities, relaxing and chilling vibe, plus a bright and fun concept design and figures that's both captivating for kids and adults. For reviews on places, events, food, and rest, like and share this video and hit subscribe.